Alright, so this website is going to help you to remove background of any picture at all that you have and still maintain the quality of the picture. So when you come to this website, stickermail.com, when you come to this website, the first thing that you have to do is to sign up with your Gmail account. Once you've done that, tap on these three horizontal bars at the top left corner here. From here you move down to tools, then you tap on tools. So you wait for it to load. Once it loads, tap on the first option which says trace. That's instantly remove the background of photos. Tap on it and upload your picture. Alright, upload the photo that you want to use. So tap on upload a photo, then select the photo that you want to use. So I have downloaded a photo and I'm going to pick that photo right now and use. Okay, so I'm uploading the picture, and once it's uploaded, everything will be done on it automatically. So let's wait for it. Awesome, so we have the picture over here with the background removed, so we can go ahead and download it by tapping on the download button. So the next page that you are going to see is this one which says download full image. So you tap on it and wait for it to let the image download. So now it has downloaded successfully. So this is the image which the background has been removed. You can see that the quality is still high without any side effect on the resolution of the image. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bless up.